Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. How are we doing today? How's my microphone working? It's working good? Can you hear me well? Hello, perfect. So, I'm assuming my microphone is working better. It's my first YouTube video. Hear echo. Okay. Some static noise. Let me see. Let me see if I can fix it. I saw it was already fixed. Okay, I will try. I will check it later. Okay. Okay, let's gonna go to the quick charting of QQQ and NQ. Okay. So my left side I have QQQ. On my right side I have NQ. So let's gonna start with QQQ right now. So let's go to the daily. Okay, we have NQ. So I'm gonna delete this all lines. This is for Friday. Okay. Let me activate the magnet. So like usual, I'm gonna be marking the high. This one's gonna be purple line. I'm gonna be marking this one as well, red line. Okay. Same for this one, red line. And the low is gonna be marked with purple line right now. So this one I'm gonna keep it. I just wanna change the colors because these levels were not touched. So we still keep the same. We just change the color. This one as well, change the color to white. It's a daily level. It's the way I use to identify the level. So normally this one, the low and the high, I use the dots. It's just to help me on the trading session. Okay. So I already have my daily ones marked, as you can see. Now let's go to 4 hours. See what we get. So on the 4 hours, what I normally do, I mark the candles with high volume. So in this case I have this one here. You can see we have high volume here. So I will mark the low first. Also dots, but in this case it's gonna be yellow color. This one. Okay. I don't mark the open here because, as you can see, this candle already mitigate. If I mark it, you see I mark it, but this candle already broke it. So that's why I don't trust much. So I will leave it. I will delete it. So what else do we have? Okay, we still have this one, hasn't been mitigated. We still have this one here, they haven't been mitigated, so I leave these yellow lines like this. Okay, so in this case, for this candle I will mark it because it's the pre-market high. Okay, the volume is not much, but you know, it's a pre-market, is the high, so I will mark it. Okay, That's QQ already done. Now let's go to NQ. Just gonna chart NQ starting on daily. Okay, so this level is gone, it has been mitigated, gone, gone, and gone. So this is a candle from Friday. Okay, it's gonna start with high. Okay, it's good. It's gonna be, sorry, line. This one's gonna be purple. This one's gonna be red. This one's gonna be red as well. This one's gonna be purple. Perfect. So my daily ones are marked. Just gonna check this one. This one's still valid because they haven't been touched. Still valid, still valid. So below everything continues the same. We are just modifying these ones. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. See what we get. Yeah, similar in Q. We have this candle here with high volume. So I'm gonna be marking this one, the low yellow dots. Perfect yellow dots mark with this one. The open I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna mark it. Okay, so 4 hours is good. In this one the volume is decent. I'm gonna mark it. Okay, just like reference. Perfect. Okay, so we have the levels mark. That's good. Now let's gonna try to define the scenarios. Okay, for the scenarios I start on the daily window just to see the overall view of what we have. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that we have this big body here in the daily, similar same on NQ, has been already, let's say, eaten 50% of the candle. So guys, when we have daily levels, the purple, the red, purple, red, these are for me the most important in the trading session, because normally, not 100% of the time, but normally the price travel between these red and purple lines. So I will say that my first scenario will be going back, touching the red line and going down to the next red line here. I could say breaking these yellow dots, because like I said before, daily levels have more priority than 4 hours levels, because we still have all these imbalance here. Okay, so that's why I'm expecting the price go pop, touch the red and go down to start eating this guy here completely. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see if it happens or not. Oops, sorry, looking daily. Yeah, same. So in this case I'm going to 10 minutes. And I will define. I'm expecting the guy come here. Okay, touch the red line, could go also to the purple and reject, go to these yellow dots, expecting continuation down. Okay, to my next red line. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, same for this one. Go red, go purple, rejection, breaking yellow dots, little reject to continue down to to the red line. Okay, if we are lucky, we can get a mega trade today, mega trade on Monday, if we are lucky. The market has been pumping like crazy recently, so let me take screenshots. Okay, so normally I define two scenarios, two. So let's go again to daily. Okay, so another scenario I can see is that we don't fill all this candle, we fill half of the candle. So what could happen is that the price could come also to the purple rejection and bounce on these yellow dots. Okay, again, price action, we need to watch price action around this yellow dots line here to see if bounce or continue down to the next red line. But that's another scenario I can see right now. Rejection, yellow dots, bouncing, go up because the market has been pumping up lately, so breaking purple line, the highs, and continue up. That's another scenario I can see. Okay, same for NQ. Let's go to 10 minutes, make it easy. Sorry. 10 minutes, pumping purple, bouncing yellow, continuing breaking the purple, expecting a little retest and going up. That's another scenario I can see right now. Okay, rejection, little bounce, here, continue up. Okay, that's another one I see. Price action will tell us. Okay, okay guys, that's what I see for the moment. Okay, that's what I see. Okay, I was thinking to chart yes, I don't trade ES, but just for practice for you guys, for people trading ES. Do you want me to chart ES? Let me know in the chat if you want me to chart ES or SPY. I don't trade them, but just to show you. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. What do I have here? Okay. Yes. This one. Chart SPY. Okay, so I have ES on one side, I have SPY on the right side. Okay, let's go to the daily quick. daily this one as well. Perfect. So we have both daily here. Okay, this is a candle for Friday. Just gonna activate the magnets. Same sign, marking the highs. Purple. Making the close here. Red line. Red line. Daily mark already for ES. So we define our important, these lines are the more important on the training section again, the latest daily, that's the most important. It's going to continue marking the daily, so I have this one here, it's open here, it's going to be white, and we can mark this guy as well, the wick, with the dots. Perfect. So we can continue marking. If you are trading, yes, you can continue marking the rest. As long the level hasn't been mitigated, you can mark it. Okay, you can mark this one, you can mark this one, you can mark this one. So you can continue as has been doing it. SPY, same procedure. Friday candle, we mark the high. Purple color, you can use whatever color you want. I use in this color code is to help me keep it easy for the trading, to avoid any confusion. You're welcome. Mark, changing to purple. Okay. So in this case, it's going to continue marking. We have another level here, it hasn't been touched. Okay, white. Same for this one. Dots. This is important one. We have a gap here. Okay, so we have this wick here, hasn't been touched. We have another here. So I will mark both, expecting the price to be choppy in this area, between these two small levels. That's what I will be expecting. Okay. Alright, so you can continue charting this one, and this one still good. That's why you guys can continue charting. Okay. Now let's go to 4 hours on ES, see what we have here. Yes. So we have this candle with high volume. As you can see, let's gonna mark it. Okay, if you mark this low, we have this candle already touched, and we have this candle touched and broke it. So for me, this level is not valid anymore. Not for me. So we can mark this one. You have a good volume. You can mark this open here. Mark. Same here. Let's see. We have this one here with this wick with high volume. I will mark it. Because the price, okay, could easily break the purple line, expecting to pick this liquidity here and bounce and go up again. That's a one scenario could happen. Okay, so you can continue marking this one, good volume. You can mark the open, the low, this one as well. You can mark the wick here. can be marked. Okay, it's gonna go to SPY again. So we have this candle with high volume. I will mark it definitely. We mark this part here, the open. Okay, again you can continue charting down if you want. You just keep it cleaner like this. Again guys, trading is about to keep it as simple as possible. That's the most important. Okay, that's the most important. So let's go to the daily. Let's gonna define a scenarios for these guys. Okay, it's a tricky candle here. So normally when we have this candle like this, when the wicks on the top and the wicks on the bottom are similar size, I'm expecting the price to be choppy for this day, because we have a little body which has been filling up. So when I see a candle like this, I expect a choppy day. Okay, so we need to be careful trading this guy, but that's gonna try to define a scenarios on this case, because what could happen is that the price breaks the red line, which is the open here, the close here, expecting travel to the purple line, or at least just a few points, and reject back to fill up this wick here. It could happen, you know. Purple rejects, travel down to red line to continue filling up the body, bouncing on the red and the white, little bounce, but continue down to the red line. That's one scenario I can see here. Okay, you go here, you come, what is it? Again, travel, rejection, breaking yellow to continue down to the red line, because normally price come from daily to daily. Okay, that's what define my first scenario. Price normally travel from daily level to daily level, from daily level to daily. That's what normally happens. Okay, not 100% of the time, but it happens a lot. That's why if you are trading inside Team Bull, that's why you see me posting level to level, because that's what normally happens. Okay, let's go to SPY 10 minutes to define the same scenario. Purple rejection, coming down to red to continue going to the next one, because we already have filled up half of the space between the red line, as you can see, for both for ES and SPY. So I'm expecting to continue the end and keep going down to the purple. For ES and SPYs, to be honest, that's the only scenario I can see, because this one easily can come, bounce again and continue up. So for ES and SPY, I will leave it like this. Do you want to take a screenshot of this one, because I'm gonna go back to NQ, and QQQ is the one I trade. Okay, okay guys, take a screenshot of it if you want, because I'm gonna go back to Qs. Perfect. So yeah, this was my second YouTube live. Sorry for having problem again with the microphone. I already bought one, but it's gonna take a while to arrive. Huh? I'm using the microphone of one of the webcam cameras. I already bought one, but it's gonna take a while to arrive. But I'm assuming it's better than the first one, than the first video. Yeah, Frederick, you're welcome. I hope guys you like it. So I'm gonna be going back to Team Bull, where we're trading every day, expecting good session today. So thank you very much guys. Thank you very much for joining me. Good luck today, okay? Trade smart and trade safe. See you later. Bye bye.